Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to wrap textbooks and notebooks. Usually when school reopens, most parents will be confronting with this difficult task. Let's see how to make it more efficient and faster. Every step is important in this process, so watch the video fully without skipping so that you don't miss out on any aspects. Usually when we are buying the wrappers, it will be available only in the rolled form in the shops. To straighten the paper, we have to roll out the wrapper in the opposite direction. See to it that you're doing this job gentle and don't give extensive pressure. Roll the paper a few times like this and hold it for some more time. If you're still not satisfied with the straightening, you can do the reverse rolling few more times. Now you see the paper is straightened. To wrap a textbook or notebook, we should have a paper cut in such a way that there is enough space on all four sides. If the space is very less, the wrapper will come out very easily and very often. If you give more space in the borders, then also it will be very difficult and also you will be wasting the paper. We know that the paper is got from cutting the trees, so we should not be very careless in wasting the paper. Keeping in mind enough space on all four sides, we have to place the notebooks and see how many notebooks can be covered. This approach, we thought of placing three notebooks on the lower two-third and two notebooks on the upper one-third. But upper one-third, we couldn't find enough space on the borders, so we had to contend with only three notebooks in this approach. Shall we see if there is any chance to increase the number of notebooks? Yes, we are making it by changing the direction of the notebooks. Now we are seeing that there is enough space on all four sides for all the notebooks. So this is a way we have to think and squeeze our mind to find out how to maximize the usage of the paper. As we have finalized the wrapper for four notebooks, we have to cut the paper into four equal halves, ensuring that there will be enough space on all four sides for all the four notebooks. In the next step, we are folding the paper once again and ensuring that there is enough space on all four sides for the notebook. Now we are cutting the wrapper into four equal halves. You can either use a scissor or a knife. Use the one with which you are more comfortable. Now the wrapper is ready on its way to cover the notebook. If we have 2-inch border, it will be very nice. If it is less than 1 inch, the cover will not be in position. If it is more than 2 inches also, it will be difficult for us to fold and retain. Nothing wrong, you can cut it and trim it off. Now fold the wrapper into two halves so that the outer glossy smooth surface remains on the outside. In the next step, we have to fold like this, a small triangular shape on both the sides. Focus on this. The distance between the two folds must be equal to the length of the notebook. Focus on this too. This is also another important step. First, we would have folded like this. Now, increase the size of the triangle by just folding it a little more. How much we have to increase depends upon the thickness of the notebook. If the notebook is more thicker, we have to increase it much more. Like this, it has to be done on both the sides. Note that there are two folds here. Other side also there will be two folds. Now we are going to cut here. This is also an important step. You have to cut through the second fold and go through a line where the first fold ends. Here, first fold is ending, you have to connect. Here also, we are going to cut through the second fold till the level of the first fold. You should not cut it till the end. Okay, if you cut it, it will come out. So we have to stop a little bit shorter. Now you have to fold like this. You have to check now whether the entire length fits into this. See? It has to fit into these folds. Then only it will cover for the full stretch of the notebook. Place the notebook in the center like this and make the first fold on the right side. The right side we are choosing first is for our comfort. Now turn the set so that the other side also comes to your right and make the fold similarly. Now you cut the paper at this fold slowly and gently till it extends up to the border of the notebook. We shall cut a little bit more also. Ensure that the border of the notebook is visible when we are separating the paper. Now we can cut all sides. Here also it is coming here. We can cut a little bit extra also, no problem. It will be easier to fold. But if you cut it short, you will find it very difficult to completely insert that fold of paper. You can also use knife for cutting this. Now we are going to fold this between the paper and the notebook cover. You have to insert it between the paper and the notebook cover. Fold like this. Okay. Over here also similarly we have to insert this between the notebook and the cover. Like this you do on all four sides. Ensure that while you are inserting on one side, the other side doesn't come out. You can turn the notebook as per your comfort. Now that all the four sides are inserted. Last part. Now we are going to fold this in a triangular shape and then put it back like this. Similarly, this side also fold in a triangular shape and then press it like this. Here also like this. After folding, compress well like this. Do it similarly on all the sides and compress well. Now we have completed covering the notebook. It's over. We can also stick sellotape so that the cover doesn't come out so easily. Here, 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 here. Other side also. Here, 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 here. Now we can stick the label. Hope this video would have helped you. Kindly subscribe for more interesting and useful videos. Thank you.